woman running for her life. She jumped out of a moving car in the middle of a gas station parking lot. She told officers she had just been kidnapped and that the man driving the car may have already killed someone earlier that day. Within hours, multiple law enforcement agencies were searching for the suspect. Then suddenly, everything changed. The pursuit turned into gunfire, and in just a few seconds, the entire situation escalated beyond control. On June 19th, 2024, at approximately 3:21 p.m., an Arizona Department of Public Safety state trooper was reportedly parked at a Circle K convenience store in Bisbee, Arizona. The state trooper reportedly observed a green four-door Infiniti G35 sedan circle the parking lot twice before a woman jumped out of the Infiniti and ran to the state trooper as the vehicle sped away. The woman reported she had been kidnapped and assaulted by the driver of the Infiniti. The state trooper issued an alert, remained at the gas station with the female, and requested medical aid. Later, the state trooper learned the Tucson Police Department was also attempting to locate the Infiniti in connection with a homicide that had occurred earlier that day in Tucson, Arizona. At approximately 7:30 p.m., a Cochise County Sheriff's deputy located the Infiniti at the Chevron gas station on State Route 92 and Green Tree Drive in Bisbee, Arizona. The deputy observed the Infiniti exit the Chevron and travel west on State Route 92. The deputy initiated a traffic stop, at which point the Infiniti failed to yield and drove east on State Route 92 and then south on Naco Highway. The deputy pursued the Infiniti, and the driver fired out of the driver's window.
Hey, if there's anyone near Barnett Road, CCSO has shots fired at them from a possible homicide suspect shot at the CCSO deputy's vehicle. Hey, sounds like the suspect is a possible wanted homicide suspect, so be careful, he is armed.
Is there a description of the vehicle?
A vehicle crashed on Naco Highway.
Driver's moving around in the front seat. The vehicle stopped. Driver's out and detained. Performing medical on him right now. Multiple gunshot wounds.
On the way?
Life flight on the way.
Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them! Put your hands in the fucking air! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Right. Hey. Put your hands up! Y'all get him out!
I'll start it from here.
Let me see your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands now!
We'll be over there with the horse so that we can help with that.
I got him. Stay on.
We got you. Fucking move!
Hey, he was shooting at me on the way here. Watch his hands.
Watch it, watch it.
Just open the door and throw him out.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! I got you, I got you.
Hands on, hands on. Coming out the back!
Right here.
Have a gun anywhere?
Not on me. It's in me somewhere. Hey, look at me. Oh, my arm. Hey, my arm, watch out. Help, help, man. Help him up, help him up. Help him up. Get
EMS. Hey, you got a medic? Yeah, we got a medic. Yeah, my bag's in the back. If you got it, you want to get out of here. Don't move. Don't move. I'm going to get a tourniquet on your arm. Don't move, man. Don't move. Don't move. We're running in. Don't move. Hey, we'll just clear this trip. It's gonna hurt. Hey, it's gonna hurt, bro. It's just... I can't see. I can't see. We're helping you, bro. Here. So tourniquet applied. You need that one on the leg, too. Where's another one?
Okay.
Don't move, bro. Don't move.
Help me.
We're helping you.
Breathe.
Get that?
Can't breathe. Ow. Leg. My leg.
Second tourniquet. Here you go.
Help me.
We got one right here. Does anyone have any cloths, anything like that?
Oh, yeah. I got a med bag.
Help me, please.
We're trying to, bro. Just don't move. Keep your leg straight.
Help.
Keep your leg straight. Keep your leg straight.
I got one on the hole. I got one on the hole. We need some cloths. Back.
Help. Help.
Here's the
Help
dogs.
me. Please. Help.
Under my thumb. It's right under my thumb.
Can you dump some water on me, please?
Stop moving, dude. Stop moving. Ready? Don't move. Ready?
Help. Help.
Fuck. Is the tourniquet doing its job? Let's see. Let's see. Just leave it.
Take some water.
Stop moving. We have another cloth.
Stand by. Chest wound.
You got chest wound?
Okay.
Help me. Help. I can't breathe.
We got one on there.
I can't breathe.
I got that.
I can't breathe.
Get him outside. Get him outside.
Dump some water on my face.
Puncture
Dump
lungs.
some water on my face.
You guys trying to shot? Okay.
I got two in the chest. Grab this. Yep.
Help me. I need water.
Hey,
Water.
I'm moving.
I need water.
You're good, man. Keep breathing for me.
I can't. I need water.
Here's another one.
I got another chest seal if you need it. 146.
You want it for the back?
Fine second.
You don't? Oh. You checked the back yet?
How more that way? Back.
Front, two, click. We got an exit one. We got one exit.
Here's another chest.
Help me. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro.
What has he got?
You got two in the chest, two in the leg. Look at his wrist over there. We need to get him going.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get him going.
The helo's going to meet you guys at the station. Helo
Most
pad.
likely his absent breath sounds on there.
Water.
So
He's got at the station.
They're
They
gonna meet-
just advised that they're landing a helo out here
Really?
per border patrol.
Station. Yeah.
Well, somebody
So-
needs to clarify.
Can I get some water, please?
Grab the gurney. Let's load and go.
We're not hitting veins. So
All right, yeah, we're probably gonna have to drill him, so it's
Okay.
it is what it is.
Perfect.
We're just gonna try and get the gurney over here, get him on as quick as we can, and we'll start working on the way to the station. Does anybody have anything else, gauze or something, just to kind of splint up this wrist right quick, and we'll.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There should be a person. I mean, if you want
Splint. I got it.
Just something hard to keep it from getting any worse if we can here.
We're working on it, man.
Water.
Here you go.
Please. Please, let me get some water, bro. How? Fuck.
Yeah, doesn't have to be pretty.
Nope. I'm not making it.
No.
Do we have times on tourniquets?
We called it out loud. It should be with our dispatch.
Yeah, it's noted on our call. By on what time.
Do you have a backboard here?
Yeah, let's get it.
So he's got 2 to the chest, 1 to the wrist, tourniquet on leg and arm.
Okay.
He's got pressure dressings, no IVs. We're gonna have to drill him most likely.
Okay.
Because of the trauma. He's bleeding out because he keeps complaining of thirst. So we need.
1944 with the tourniquet.
We're trying to just secure this wrist real quick because it's hanging on by skin.
Okay.
I don't want him to open another arterial.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 1944 was a tourniquet.
Okay, both of them.
Yeah, but about the same time.
All right. 19. Can you write that down somewhere?
1944.
1944.
Go ahead. Do you think? I'll get it. 1944.
And you confirmed helipadded station, right? Yeah, helipadded station. Somebody's going to keep the gate open for you guys. Yeah.
Please, water, bro.
South entrance.
Please.
No water.
Why? He said I love it. I really need some. But I can't. I can't even get a full breath, bro. Ow.
Relax.
Ow.
You have another roll of tape?
Ow.
I got it right here.
Ow.
We probably need to start setting up everything we can for an intubation as soon as the flight crew gets here as well.
Okay.
Ow. Some water, please.
Hey, roll.
Anything out the back.
One on the back. And maybe
down here.
Okay.
Maybe in there. Down
Go ahead and then bleed to bed.
Ready? I need water, please. Before we get in the car, please. Please. Water.
We gotta clip it down.
Put your leg down. Put your leg down. There you go.
Where you want this at, ma'am?
There's little cars. And then go ahead and take. Oh, sorry.
I don't know how to do this.
That's okay.
Should be underneath.
Right here.
You got hit right here.
Okay. Just tighten that up for me.
There you go. Ow.
Alright.
Virginia, please. Water.
Okay. Okay. If you guys want to carry him, I'll get the ambulance set up.
Let's go.
Where's the tight on this
Right there on the right hand side. There you go.
Sorry, dude.
You good.
Yep.
Alright. Ready? Arms whenever you guys are
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
On you guys.
What do you want to do? We're going to
Yep.
Hey. I'm falling off.
You're good. You're not falling off.
Help.
You're not falling off, dude. We got you. Watch your feet.
I got him.
Help.
Wire on the ground.
We're at.
Right here. Grab that side.
The subject was identified as a 27-year-old U.S. citizen. At the scene, 2 9mm handguns, methamphetamine, and fentanyl pills were recovered from